Hi everyone, I am Dr. Astha Dayal and I am the lead consultant gynecologist with CK Birla Hospital in Gurgaon. Today we are going to discuss how to improve our calcium intake in our 30s and 40s. So everyone needs calcium. It's an essential micronutrient. We need it for the formation of our bones and teeth. We also need it for the functioning of our muscles. We need it for the functioning of our nerves, and it also helps in the general well-being of the body. Now women in their 30s and 40s have an extra need for calcium, and this is because this is the time that women are generally having their reproductive phase of life. So when you're pregnant, you need an extra 1000 milligrams of calcium per day. Also when you're breastfeeding your baby, you again need an extra 1000 milligrams of calcium per day. And when you're having your menopause after the age of 50s, when your body is deprived of estrogen, again you have an extra requirement of about 1200 milligrams of calcium per day. So calcium is essential for women, and we need to be very careful that we maintain a good calcium level. So how can we do it? So in our diet, there are good sources of calcium in dairy. So we can have low-fat dairy, or we can have cheese or skimmed milk, yogurts. All these are good sources of calcium. If you have lactose intolerance, you could go for soya milk, almond milk. These are also usually fortified with calcium. Besides this, if you are non-vegetarian, good sources are fish like salmon and tuna. Also, egg yolk is a good source of calcium. And if you're vegetarian, the dark green leafy vegetables like kale, like spinach, broccoli, these are very good sources of calcium. Besides this, seeds like sesame seeds, chia seeds, then nuts like almonds, these are also good sources of calcium. And we also understand that calcium absorption is helped by vitamin D. So if you have low vitamin D, replenishing that will help improve your calcium levels, and also going out in the sunlight helps improve your vitamin D levels. Besides this, it is also important to exercise regularly and maintain a healthy weight. When you exercise and when you are having a good lifestyle, it helps the calcium that you're taking in your diet to be absorbed into your body. So having a good diet and exercising regularly will give you a good calcium level in your body. And you should also avoid certain things, like you should avoid smoking, you should avoid alcohol. A lot of aerated drinks and caffeinated drinks can also reduce your calcium absorption. A high sodium level, which is taken in salt, can also reduce your calcium levels, so you should be careful with your salt intake. However, there will be some phases in your life when you might need calcium supplementation, because if your diet is not meeting 1000 milligrams of calcium per day requirement, or if you're developing osteoporosis or osteopenia, or if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or approaching menopause, you should consult your doctor and start your calcium supplements. Thank you.